Welcome back to Melbourne Vibe, guys. This video is just for our subscribers. We are a family of more than 10,000 people now. 10,000 people who are planning to come to Australia or who are already in Australia. So in this video, we're going to tell you how did Melbourne Vibe start and where is it leading. So let me just start with how did Melbourne Vibe start. I came to Melbourne around a year ago. And before I came here, I was researching a lot about Australia. Like what are the things that all the videos that we're making right now. And surprisingly, there wasn't enough information available. Not a lot of website, not a lot of videos. And that's why I really wanted to do YouTube. Even before coming to Australia, even when I was in India, I really wanted to make videos. I really wanted to be a YouTuber, but I just never did that. When I came here, I told a couple of my friends that guys, we should do this. All of them said that it's kind of stupid and I should find a job and work for it. Then I told my roommate, I'm like, dude, this is so cool. We're good on camera, we're good at editing, let's just do it. Well, the response wasn't great. And you know, when something's bound to happen, you meet the right kind of people. And then I met Jocelyn, who's excellent at editing, and she has been a YouTuber since years. And I told her that this is something that I want to do, and then we started Melbourne Vibe. It's not even 6 months and we are more than 10,000 subscribers. That is more than 10,000 people's family from more than 100 countries. The important part is that just do it. There are a lot of things that we want to do. Whether it's playing guitar, drums, learning a dance or anything like that. We just don't do it because we think it's not important or it's not going to work. Or maybe you want to start a YouTube channel which you haven't done yet. So 6 months back, all we wanted was a YouTube channel that is helping people, that is providing most truthful and right information to people who are coming to Australia. Here we are, where more than 325,000 people from almost 200 countries have viewed our channel and we have more than 10,000 subscribers on our channel. This doesn't happen to everyone and this wouldn't have happened to us if we did not start it. The next thing that Melbourne Vibe is doing is Melbourne Vibe is turning into the biggest student-run startup that anybody has seen in the world. I'm so excited to share everything with you. We're just going to work for international students' need. I wish I could tell you everything, but guys, as of now, without disclosing anything more, be excited for Melbourne Vibe because Melbourne Vibe is going to be one of the biggest startups that is working just for international students in Australia. That's pretty much it, guys. I want you guys to comment in the video. What are the things that you are going to just do it? What are the things that you always want to do and after this video you're going to think of starting it? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't and follow us on all our social media pages, that is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to join Melbourne Vibe Study in Australia Facebook group so that you can meet people just like you. Adios.